Hey everyone, welcome back. Today my Volvo XC60 gave me a warning on the dash saying the key fob battery was low. Instead of rushing to the dealer, I decided to replace it myself. For the 2011 Volvo XC60 key fob, you'll need 2 pieces of CR2430 batteries. Flip the key fob over and slide the small switch on the back to release the emergency key blade. Once the blade is out, use it or a small flat tool to carefully open the fob. Inside, you'll see two stacked CR2430 batteries. Note the orientation of the plus and sides before removing them. Replace both batteries with new ones in the same order and polarity. Snap the cover back together, reinsert the emergency key, and you're done.